Alright, stop watching those how to sell digital products videos seriously, just for a minute. Most of them are engineered to bury you in a 30-step to-do list that's full of confusion and, let's be honest, ultimately leads to zero sales. They make it sound like you need to be a tech wizard, a marketing guru, and a design prodigy all at once. It's completely overwhelming, and it's the number one reason most people quit before they even make their first dollar. I realize the secret isn't about doing more. It's about focusing on a dead simple, two-part formula that actually works. It's about being precise. And in the next few minutes, I'm giving you that exact formula. I'm not just going to tell you the most profitable, in-demand product niches for 2025. I'm going to show you how to build a simple, automated system that makes you money while you're on vacation, spending time with family, or yes, while you're sleeping. This is the simple blueprint they don't share because it works a little too well. So, let's get into it. Before we jump into the formula, let's get on the same page about why this is the single greatest business model to start in 2025. Forget warehouses, shipping, and boxes of inventory. A digital product is an asset you create once, and it can be sold an infinite number of times to anyone in the world, instantly. The profit margins are frankly insane. You're often 70% or higher, because your only real cost is the time you put in up front. This isn't about trading hours for dollars anymore. It's about building a system that works for you 24/7. This is the literal definition of scalable passive income. The global market for digital goods is projected to experience massive growth, with some estimates suggesting it could surge to over $400 billion by 2030. You just need to solve a problem to get a piece of that pie. And that brings us to the core of this whole strategy. The entire game boils down to a simple two-part formula, the what and the how. Part one is figuring out what to sell, and part two is building the automated engine to sell it. Let's start with part one. The biggest mistake beginners make? Well, it's creating something nobody actually wants to buy. They build a product based on what think is cool, not what the market is already begging for. We're not doing that. We're going to use data to find a winning idea before we build a single thing. Instead of guessing, let's look at where people are already throwing their money. The most lucrative niches for 2025 are evergreen. They tap into fundamental human desires. The data points to 4 clear winners. Money and online business, well, this is the top dog, always. People will happily pay to learn how to make more money or grow their business. Think passive income guides, freelance pricing templates, or even AI prompts for launching a startup. Health, wellness, and self-improvement. This industry is, honestly, a juggernaut, with the global wellness economy projected to surpass $7 trillion by 2025. Think meal planners, fitness trackers, mindfulness journals, and AI-powered wellness guides. Productivity and organization. Well, in a world filled with distractions, people really do crave order. This is exactly why Notion templates, goal-setting workbooks, and time-blocking planners are flying off the virtual shelves. Lifestyle, hobbies, and education. This is, honestly, an absolute goldmine on platforms like Etsy and Pinterest. We're talking about everything from recipe ebooks and craft files to educational packs for kids, which, by the way, some sellers use to earn thousands per month. To validate an idea in these niches, just use free tools. Go to Pinterest Trends and type in a keyword like meal planner. Is the trend line going up? Well, that's a green light. Next, head over to Etsy, search for Notion template, and filter for top-selling shops. You see those thousands of sales? That's your proof of demand. So, don't reinvent the wheel, just find out where the party is and join in. Now that you have a niche, you need a product idea that's simple to create. Forget spending 6 months building some massive online course. We're focusing on what I like to call weekend build products. High-value items you can actually create in a single weekend. The easiest and most profitable digital products right now are templates. Why? Well, it's simple. People don't really pay for information. They pay for outcomes and convenience. A template is basically a shortcut. It saves them time and energy. Canva templates. This is honestly my #1 recommendation for beginners. You can create social media bundles for specific niches like real estate agents or fitness coaches, media kits for influencers, or even digital wedding invitations. The demand is, honestly, just massive. Niche Notion templates. The Notion user base is huge and passionate. A well-designed New Year reset dashboard, a content creators hub, or a student exam planner can become a really powerful income stream. Some top sellers have actually turned a single template into a 5-figure asset. AI prompt packs right now. This is a red-hot and rapidly evolving market. People are honestly desperate to use AI effectively, but most just have no idea what to ask it. For example, a pack of 50 ChatGPT prompts to launch your online business, or 100 Midjourney prompts for stunning digital art. These can be put together in just a few hours. Micro ebooks or guides. So instead of writing a 300-page book, you can create a sharp 20-page guide that solves one specific painful problem. For instance, something like the 5-step guide to pricing your freelance services, or a beginner's guide to investing in index funds. The key here is honestly to get specific. Don't try to sell a generic planner. Sell a college exam prep planner. And don't just offer social media templates. Offer Canva templates for yoga instructors. Niche-specific products face less competition and, well, they attract far more motivated buyers. Alright, you've got your validated, niche-specific product idea. Now it's time to build the hands-free system that sells it for you. This is where the passive income magic really happens. Listen to me. Perfectionism is the enemy of profit. Your goal is to create a minimum viable product that's polished and valuable, but not perfect. And you can use incredibly simple tools to do it. If you're making templates, Canva is all you need. It's a super user-friendly, drag-and-drop platform, and you can create professional-looking designs with zero experience. If you're writing a guide or an ebook, just use Google Docs or Canva's built-in templates. To really speed things up, you can use AI as your assistant. Use a tool like ChatGPT to brainstorm chapter outlines, write the first draft of your content, or even generate the AI prompts for your prompt pack. You're the editor, the curator, the one adding your unique touch. But honestly, AI can do about 80% of the heavy lifting for you. This is another spot where beginners get stuck. They think they need a complicated Shopify store with a dozen plugins. You don't. To start, you just need a simple, single-page storefront that handles payments and automatically delivers your product. Platforms like Gumroad Stand Store or PayHip are perfect for this. You can literally set up a product listing in under 30 minutes. You write a description, set your price, upload your file, like a PDF with the link to your Canva template, and connect your bank account. That's it. When someone buys, the platform automatically sends them the file and puts the money in your account. That's your automated delivery system done. Now for the final piece, getting customers. Again, forget trying to be on every platform at once. One of the most powerful and beginner-friendly channels for digital products is short-form video. Think TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Here's the simple system. Create helpful content. Don't just post "buy my thing." Instead, create short videos that solve a tiny problem related to your product. So, for example, if you sell a budget template, make videos like 3 budgeting mistakes everyone makes, or how I saved my first $1,000. Give a clear call to action. At the end of each video, just say, "If you want to make this even easier, I have a complete budget template that does all the work for you. Grab it at the link in my bio." Price it smart. Don't undercharge just because it's digital. Price based on the value and the transformation you're providing. Consider bundling products to increase how much each customer spends. For example, you could package a meal planner with a fitness tracker. Offering a limited time discount when you launch can also create a nice burst of initial sales. This system works because it builds trust by giving value away for free, and then it seamlessly presents your product as the perfect solution. So, that's it. That's the entire formula. Forget the 20-step programs and the overwhelming tech tutorials. Making serious money with digital products in 2025 comes down to nailing just 2 things. All right, so first, let's talk about the what. Find a high-demand product idea in a proven niche. Focus on simple weekend build products like Canva templates, Notion dashboards, or, AI prompt packs. Now, the how. Build a simple automated sales engine using easy tools like Canva for creation, Gumroad for your store, and short-form video for getting eyeballs. You don't need to be a genius. Seriously, you don't need a huge following to start. You just need to solve a specific problem for a specific group of people and build a simple system to deliver that solution. Can you imagine waking up next month to sales notifications for something you created this weekend? That is 100% possible. If you're ready to stop thinking and start doing, I've created a completely free 2025 niche starter kit for you. It includes a list of 50 trending product ideas and how I use them to validate. The link for that is right in the description below. Thanks for watching. Now go build something. Your future self is going to thank you for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS guides to building your online business. And let me know in the comments what's the first digital product you're going to create.